开学。
我跟你讲好吗？如果说我们没有能力去收这样的孩子，或者是觉得说他在这边的程度跟我们有落差，我们根本不会收这样的。
环境之后，他可以变得比较踊跃，比较勇敢表现自己，比较勇于发。就是说在传统的教育里面，可能他们是属于比较压抑。没错，没错。
Cake. Everybody, how do you spell cake? Polly. Sorry. Emma. Name. A sound. How can we spell the long A sound? Daniel.
Big.
Oh, but how do we spell A? Yeehaw. 3, 2, 1, go. Aim. Everybody, how do you spell dates? Who knows? Who can tell me? Who can tell me how do you spell dates? Ache. Ache. Aim.
So you can say any kind of juice. Yep. Jason? Ham, very good. Yogurt, we say already. Okay. Howard? Boat. Okay, good. Jason? Jimmy next.
Chair.
Okay, Angel. Money, very good. Samuel. Which one? So, I'm going to need 2 people. One, I need Matt. Mac, repeat. Very good, Irene. Cats. Pan. Ham. Nap. Everyone. So please say the letter and sound. Everyone repeat. Everyone say it. A. Very good.
And Abby. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes, very good.
The box.
Yes, excellent. Mary, who can tell us what has Biff done? Did she listen to Chip? What are they doing? What are they doing together in Biff's room? Bruce.
They are opening the box.
Yes, very good. They open the box. Why do you think they opened the box? Hey, I'm trying to hand that to Joe. Yes. Here you are, Marie. Yes, remember, if there isn't a magnet on the back of the card, you've got to use one of these. Boop. Seems we have a magnet deficit. Yes, Biff and Chip, look at the box. The box. Marie. Biff and Chip, look at the box. Marie, that's the last word of the sentence. Yes, very good. And everybody together one more time. What is the problem? Yes, we are missing them here. That's all right. I can add it here. Okay, everybody, one more time together. 1, 2, 3, Jack. Jack, loudly, please.
The box.
Very good.
Look at.
Yes. Yes.
Where for you?
I want to do a fast food restaurant.
Really? Yes. Who wants to try?
Me.
Really? Come.
Where were you last night? I was looking all over for you. I was at the.
Okay. Okay, Jeffrey and Christine. Okay, let's do it here.
There, I feel okay.
Yeah. Everybody, yeah. Very good. Okay.
Hey, thank you. Very good. Everybody, let's do it together now. Over for you.
I went to the farm. Good. Really? Did you have a good time?
Where does teacher Gordon come from? We can go to Japan. We can eat sushi. We'll eat fish and chips and watch a soccer match.
I am from Taiwan.
We can catch airplane and go to Taiwan. I come from Taiwan. Okay, what about this one? I come from Italy. Paper, scissors, stone. Paper, scissors, stone. Paper, scissors, stone. Oh, again, paper, scissors, stone. You have to ask the question. Where do you come from? Everybody together? Where do you come from? Leo, you can pick.
I come from Taiwan.
Everybody? I come from Taiwan. Oh, so this team.
To the rocket, right. Took them to a rocket, right. Now, the magic took them to a rocket. Can you help me put it in the right place, please? The magic took them to a rocket. Guys, do you know where most of the rockets are in the world? Was Floppy very excited?
Because it was his first adventure.
It was his first adventure, right? Excited! Who can tell me how to spell side? Floppy was excited, but someone was more excited than... Here, I want you to stand up and point. 3, 2, 1. Stand up quickly, go! It's closed. 3, 2, 1, go! No, I am not. You can help. Sit down. Sit nicely and I'll let you put it up. Sitting very nicely. Thank you very much. Look! Hey! Thank you, Ethan. Put it in the right place. Right. It will fall down the ladder and go to one fun hospital. He said, who can tell me what he said? Everybody together, 3. He didn't say it. Let's look inside. How did he say it?
Very good. All right, guys, it's science. Good job, guys. Okay, today we are going to talk about plants. What color is it? Raise your hand. What color is it? Brian Jung, what color is it? Leaves, guys. Everyone say, these are leaves. Touch them. These are leaves. Let's touch them one by one. These leaves are very smooth. Yes. Who likes apples? Look at this apple. Teacher Jeremy has one knife. Everybody, we must be
Careful!
Yes, we must. Yes, I will try to be very, very careful. All right. Now, look, maybe teacher. Oh, everybody look. Wow. Now this is inside the apple. See little black things. What are these? What are these? Raise your hand. Jimmy. For now. Everybody, this apple seed is so small. Everybody look. Wow. It's so small. Look at this seed. It's so small. Yeah, can everyone see?
Yeah.
Brenda, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a baby tree. Everyone say, a baby tree. Stop. Show everyone. Can you guys see the green seed? Yes, it's the same as my seed. It's the same as my seed. Let's put it in the ground. Over here, guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plant. say plants? So that there's no sun? No, we must give it. And here's our water. Now this water will be the rain.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, the days of the week. Start each day with a smile. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the days of the week. The days of the week. The days of the week. Woo!
The circle is red. One more time. Quickly.
Blue.
Blue. Everyone say. The square is blue. Square, square. What color is the square? Diego. The circle is yellow. The circle is yellow. One more time. And August, stand up. And Miranda, stand up. Stand in the middle. Look at Teacher Winnie. Go.
Okay, look at the Miranda's. Quick.
What color is Miranda, August? Go, Miranda, go. Hide.
Miranda, look at August.
Black. What color is Miranda? Okay, go.
Quick.
Brown.